Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript array pop and push method. These are all array methods. In our previous tutorial we learned sort and reverse method, and in this tutorial we are going to learn pop and push method. Here you can see an array, and in this array we have total 3 values: add 1, 16 and become. And now I want to delete last value from this array. For that, we need to use a special method which is pop. Pop always target last value of an array. At the opposite way, we have another method named push. Using this method, we can add a new value end of this array. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how we can use it. As you can see, side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created a HTML document named index.html. And also you can see inside our script tag, we create an array, and in our array we have total 4 values, and also we print this value in our document: Smith, Advan, Rahul, Oliver. And now I want to delete last value from this array, Oliver. So here I'm going to use pop function. So I want to type the variable name array dot pop. Then we need to use round braces because this is the function. Then semicolon to end this line, and again I'm going to print the line. So I copy the line and paste after pop function. If I save this file, you can see in my browser, here you can see our first document statement print our complete array, but our second document statement print only 3 values: Smith, Advan and Rahul. It removed Oliver from this array. Remember, it's always remove last value. And now I'm going to use push function. So I'm going to comment out this line, and here I'm going to type array dot push. Then inside the round braces we need to pass the value. Here you can pass any string value, number value, what you want. So here I'm going to pass a string value, and I'm going to type current. Then semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, now you can see in our new list, at the end of this list it add current. So using push method you can add multiple value as much you want. It's going to add all the value end of this last value. So I hope now pop and push method is clear for you. In our next tutorial we are going to learn shift and unshift method. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.